This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting power right so nothing interrupts setup. Plug the case in until the LED shows charge. Charge earbuds to at least 50% to avoid dropouts. Once done, press and hold the earbuds power button for 3-5 seconds to force pairing mode. This makes the indicator flash. Then, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and Discovery open so the earbuds show up immediately. This reduces confusion and speeds the whole process. Next, you pair and configure for best performance. On your device, tap the entry labeled Bose in the Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompts. This binds audio and call profiles. Make sure to install or open the Bose app to complete firmware updates and enable personalized sound. Updates often fix latency and connection stability. After that, follow the app steps for EQ, touch controls, and a quick left/right fit test so you get consistent volume and optimal noise handling. Finish by confirming everything behaves in real use. Join a quick call or play media to check microphone, stereo balance, and smart features. If levels look off, adjust EQ and fit. If connections drop or audio stutters, reset the earbuds by holding power for 10-15 seconds to clear transient faults. Once reset, repair through Bluetooth. If problems persist, clear your phone's Bluetooth cache and retry. This sequence solves most issues and avoids repeating earlier steps unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.